Min and max function in Microsoft Office Excel. Min is function to find smallest number of values. Max is function to find largest number of values. In this example, I have a list of product outstock, and I want to find value smallest and largest, sell all of this product. Okay, let me practice. First, click Min Cell and press equals. After, type minx function and open parentheses. Next, hold select all the total column. Close parenthesis and press Enter. Okay, the outcome is 25. This result is smallest values in total selling. Click here to format $. Next, I want to find max value. Press equals and type max function. Open parentheses and hold select on total column. After, close parentheses and press Enter. Okay, the value returned for max function is 2,800. It's correct. Okay, with using min and max function is done. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.